The South African Social Security Agency, known as SASSA, has just confirmed significant changes that will bring relief to thousands of pensioners across the country. Earlier payment dates and new forms of support for seniors have been officially introduced, and for many older South Africans, this update could not have come at a better time. With living costs continuing to rise and many depending solely on their monthly grants, these changes aim to provide both stability and dignity. SASSA has emphasized that this shift is part of its ongoing effort to make payments more predictable and to ensure that no pensioner is left waiting unnecessarily for the money they rely on. The confirmation comes after months of consultation with community organizations and government partners, acknowledging the growing financial pressures that retirees face in 2025. From April 2025 onwards, old age grant payments are scheduled to be made earlier each month, beginning on the first or second working day rather than later in the week as in previous months. For example, in April 2025, the older person's grant will be paid on the 2nd of April, followed by disability and children's grants on the 3rd and 4th respectively. This change is not only about convenience but about compassion, ensuring that older South Africans have immediate access to their income without unnecessary delays. Many pensioners, especially those living in rural areas, plan their monthly travel and grocery shopping around their payment dates, and even a one-day delay can cause disruption. SASSA's decision to move the payment dates forward is a recognition of this reality. Along with the earlier dates, SASSA has confirmed new support options designed specifically for seniors. These include a strengthened home visit program for pensioners who are frail or unable to collect their grants in person, as well as improved digital verification systems for those using banking accounts instead of cash pay points. Officials have said that beneficiaries who receive their grants through direct deposit will continue to have their funds safely available on the same day as physical payments are made. This move ensures that seniors in both urban and rural communities are treated equally, with fewer risks of crowding or long queues at pay points. For many older citizens, this also means less stress, less travel, and more peace of mind. SASSA has also revealed that several community-based pilot programs are being expanded across provinces. One such initiative focuses on emergency food parcel assistance for pensioners who experience delays or issues with their payments, while another offers small transport stipends for seniors who need to travel to medical appointments or SASSA offices for verification. Although these programs are still limited to certain districts, they reflect a growing commitment to addressing the real-life challenges that South Africa's elderly population faces daily. A SASSA spokesperson noted that older South Africans deserve not only financial aid but also respect and practical assistance that upholds their dignity. For those who may have missed recent updates, SASSA's older persons grant currently stands at 2,210 ZR per month for individuals aged 60 to 74, and 2,230 ZR for those 75 and older. There are ongoing discussions within government about further increases later in 2025, depending on national budget outcomes and inflation trends. For many pensioners, even a small increase can have a meaningful impact. A senior in Pietermaritzburg recently shared that a rise of just 100 ZR allowed her to buy an extra bag of maize meal and keep some funds aside for medication. These are the small but powerful examples that highlight why early payments and timely increases matter so deeply to millions. Another important update concerns payment methods. Pensioners are being urged to ensure that their SASSA Gold cards are valid and up to date. Expired or inactive cards have been one of the main reasons for missed payments in recent months. If your card is set to expire in 2025, you should visit your nearest Postbank branch or SASSA office to renew it. This process is free of charge, and no one should ask for payment to assist with card renewal. Those who prefer direct bank deposits are encouraged to verify their banking details in person to prevent fraudulent activity. SASSA has warned that scammers are targeting pensioners by pretending to offer early payment services. The agency stresses that all legitimate payments are processed only through official SASSA and Postbank systems. The emotional reality behind these updates cannot be ignored. Many seniors across South Africa are supporting not only themselves but also grandchildren or unemployed family members. When payments arrive early, it means school lunches can be packed on time, electricity vouchers can be topped up before the lights go out, and medication can be collected before running out. These small moments of security are what give older South Africans the strength to keep going with dignity. That is why these changes, though administrative on paper, carry deep meaning in daily life. It is a reminder that every pensioner's stability matters, and that government systems can adapt to better serve them. SASSA has also encouraged community leaders, churches, and local counselors to help spread accurate information about these updates. Many pensioners do not have regular access to the internet or smartphones, so word of mouth remains the most effective communication tool. If you know someone who relies on the grant, let them know about the earlier payment dates and the importance of keeping their information updated. Staying informed is the first step toward protecting your income and avoiding unnecessary frustration. As we look toward the second half of 2025, these new measures represent a step toward a more reliable and humane grant system. Earlier payments, improved support services, and ongoing commitment to transparency are signs of progress. For the millions of South Africans who have built this country through decades of work and sacrifice, that progress is not a privilege, it is a right. If this update helps you or someone you care about, consider showing your support by liking this video and subscribing to the channel. Every piece of accurate information shared helps another pensioner gain clarity, security, and peace of mind in the months ahead.